Welcome to my channel. 5 Hidden Linksys Router Settings that make Wi-Fi faster. Step 1. Log into your Linksys router. Open a web browser and go to your router's login page. Sign in with your admin username and password. This gives you access to all the settings that can improve your Wi-Fi speed. Step 2. Turn on band steering. If your Linksys router supports band steering, enable it. This feature automatically moves your devices between the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands for better performance and a stronger connection. Step 3. Use the 5 GHz band. Connect newer devices to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. It offers faster speeds and less interference than the 2.4 GHz band, making it ideal for streaming, gaming, and video calls. Step 4. Change the Wi-Fi channel. Set your wireless channel to the least crowded option. Choosing a cleaner channel helps reduce interference from nearby networks and improves connection stability. Step 5. Enable MU-MIMO. If your router includes MU-MIMO, switch it on. This allows the router to communicate with multiple devices at the same time, helping reduce lag in busy households. Step 6. Turn on Quality of Service, QoS. Enable QoS and give priority to important devices like your laptop, gaming console, or smart TV. This helps keep video calls and streaming running smoothly. Step 7. Update the router firmware. Check for the latest firmware update. Installing updates can improve Wi-Fi performance, fix bugs, and add security improvements to your router. Step 8. Adjust the channel width. Use a wider channel width, such as 80 MHz on the 5 GHz band if your router supports it. This can provide faster speeds for compatible devices. Step 9. Disable unused features. Turn off features you don't use, such as guest Wi-Fi, WPS, or old wireless modes. This can reduce unnecessary network activity and improve overall performance. Step 10. Restart and test your network. Save all changes and restart your Linksys router. After it comes back online, run a speed test and check your Wi-Fi performance in different rooms to see the improvement. Thanks for watching.